Boop. What do you want to do today, Bonbon? Bonbon's just a toy. Boop. That really hurt my feelings. I'm gonna sing 2 songs. There. Yeah, I'm gonna sing 2 songs.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
And also, I'm gonna sing this.
All around me are familiar.
What's 9 plus 10? 21. Ow. What is that? It's Shadow Freddy. Oh, bye. Whee! Look, I'm gonna jump down.
I have crippling depression.
Okay.
Hey, that's pretty good.
What the heck? Bye. I fell.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I'm so angry. Are you fine? Yeah, I'm fine. Inside of Freddy's mind.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Okay. Ow. At this moment, you should turn your volume down. Or not.
Science rules.
Okay, stop. That's enough. I said stop. Stop. Boo, not the Diane guy? It not the guy. Stop it, Chica. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He needs some milk.
Mm-hmm. Cannonball! Hey guys, you want some? No. Yeah. His name is Archie.
Officer, I got one question for you. What are those?
Hey. I've got to get out of here. Me too. Funtime Freddy. I gotta tell you something. Hang on, I forgot what I was gonna say. I can't remember. Oh. Yeah, when that John Cena guy came.
That was legitimate.
What? I'm doing the poop on somebody. Okay? Eeny, meeny, money, moo. Just a toucher, but the toe. If you let them go. Eeny, meeny, money, moo. It's Foxy. You disgust me. Okay, guys. What? Hey, someone's at the door. I wonder who it is. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's coming in! Yeah! Run! Thanks for watching. Okay, end of the video.